Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today I am going to explain Unit 6, our national flag. In that activity 2, conversation is there. Uh, Grandpa, Sujal and Alpa they are talking. Grandpa, what are you doing Sujal and Alpa? So Grandpa is asking to Sujal and Alpa that what they are doing. Sujal says, we are coloring our national flag. The Sujal answer that they are coloring national flag. Our art teacher has given us homework to color our national flag. Art teacher means drawing teacher. The drawing teacher has given them homework to color national flag. Alpa says, Grandpa, the best colored picture will be displayed on the soft board, and whoever does it well will be bestowed the prize for it on the Independence Day. So Alpa answered to Grandpa that the best colored picture will be displayed on the soft board. Soft board, you can say notice board. And those whose colored picture is very well, they will get prize. Bestowed means give. School will give the prize for it on which day? Independence Day. Independence Day means we are celebrating Independence Day on 15th August. Sujal says, look grandpa, how have I done it? So Sujal is showing his picture. Grandpa says, well done. Well, do you know the history of our national flag? So grandpa says, yes, your drawing is very nice. And he wants to ask about the history of national flag if they know. Sujal says, no, please tell us something about the national flag. So Sujal says, we don't know about the history. So please tell us. Grandpa says, the national flag of India has three equal horizontal bands. The top panel is saffron, the bottom panel is green, and a white middle band is at its center. So Grandpa says that our national flag having three color and that is in a equal horizontal band. A horizontal means this way. You can say left to right that are the horizontal and three equal size bands are there. So on the top saffron, in the middle white and at the bottom you can say there is a green. It has Ashok Chakra in navy blue color. It was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 22nd July 1947 when it became the official flag of India. So in the middle of the white band at its center there is an Ashok Chakra. So Ashok Chakra is in navy blue color and our national flag was adopted by Constituent Assembly on which date? 22nd July 1947 and that day it became our official flag of India. Alpa says, Grandpa, who designed our national flag? So Alpa want to know that who has prepared this, who has designed our national flag. So Sujal answers as he knows. I think it was created by Pingali Venkaya. So he has a she has a designed our national flag. Grandpa says, yes, it is right. Miss Sujal's answer is right. Now let us look at our national flag. You know very well all of you. But here you can understand that it is horizontal band. First on the top saffron, middle white and at the bottom green. And in the center of the white band, middle band, there is Ashok Chakra. It is known as Ashok Chakra. It is in a navy blue color and total 24 spokes. These lines are there na, that are known as 24 spokes will be there. Now let us continue next. Sujal says, what is its importance? Grandpa says the national flag is a symbol of nation. So what is the importance of our national flag? So it is the symbol of our nation. Nation means country. Every nation has a flag. Every country has a flag. A national flag is a symbol of unity, honor, and freedom. So every nation having their flag, and our national flag is a symbol of unity, progress, and freedom. Both public and private buildings, such as schools and courts, may hoist the national flag. So, on the day of National Day, that are 24th, 6th January, are Republic Day, and 15th August are Independence Day. So, on that both day, national flags we are hoisting on the building like public or private, both, such as schools, colleges, courts, etc. Alpa says, our class teacher told us the history of the national flag. Yesterday he informed us about the national flag. So Alpa said, yes, our class teacher has told us the history. So yesterday only he has informed. Sujal says, please tell me what he said about it. So Sujal wants to know the history of the national flag, whatever Alpa's class teacher have told. Alpa says he told us about its three horizontal color bands of equal size. Grandpa, yes, Alpa, you are absolutely right. Do you know about the colors and their meaning? So, three horizontal color bands equal size is there. That is right only. Grandpa said that way. And another thing Grandpa says that do you know about the color and their meaning? Sujal says, I know. The topmost saffron band stands for courage and sacrifice. Saffron color stands for courage and sacrifice. Grandpa says, right. The bottom green band stands for life and prosperity. So green color stands for life and prosperity. While the white band in the center stands for truth and purity. So white color stands for truth and purity. Alpa says in the center of the white band is the blue Dharma Chakra. We can say Ashok Chakra also. So in the center of the white band, it is there is a Ashok Chakra, or you can say Dharma Chakra also. That is the meaning is the wheel of law. Sujal says, what does it stand for? So Grandpa answered that, dear, the wheel is the symbol of progress. It is the pride of our nation. Do you know certain rules must be followed whenever the national flag is hoisted? So, wheel is the symbol of progress and it is the pride of our nation. And for when we are hoisting the national flag, we'll have to follow certain rules. Some rules are there that we have to strictly follow. Alpa says, what are they? Will you please tell us? So, what are the rules we'll have to follow? Grandpa says, while hoisting the national flag, we must stand at attention and salute it. So while we are hoisting the national flag, we must stand at attention position. We will not play over here, there, or we will walk. That is wrong only. So we'll have to stand at attention position and we'll have to salute our national flag. Moreover, it should be preserved carefully and a torn flag should not be hoisted. Preserved means take care. It should be take care properly and torn flag we should not hoist. Sujal says, thank you grandfather, we will remember this forever. So Sujal thanks to grandpa and he says that yes, we will remember forever. Grandpa, we have a national bird, an animal, a flower, and a fruit. Do we have a national food? So Sujal asking to Grandpa that we are having national bird, national animal, national flower, national fruit. So he asked that we have national food also. Alpa says, I think khichdi. Actually, national food is not there. It's a just enjoyment. They are joking. Grandpa says, ha ha ha. Now prepare it. So grandpa says, yes, now prepare your work. Do your work. Okay, understood? Thank you.